Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, live from the workbench, which is a filthy mess. Been real busy, and geez, look at this disaster. Anyways, so how many of y'all are running the new Superduties? How many of y'all have been told you can't put hideaways in the new headlights? Or how many of you have been told we can put them in the bottom, but the headlight washes it out? Well, here's your little how-to on putting an LED hideaway. See it in there? See it? Strobe light. Putting an LED hideaway in the new Superduty lens. See the hole? See it? You got strobes, man? I got strobes, man. You got strobes, man? Cool strobes, man. All right, let me flip them around for you. So there's the backside. After you get them out of the truck, this is what you're going to see. Basically, this is how we do it with our LED HAW Duo. We come through the outer shell right here. We mount the light right inside there. See it in there? Oh yeah, just looking pretty. I like to use this MAC black RTV. It's a good glue, it's a good sealant, it's a Napa brand, it's a household name. Works pretty good. I don't like screws in there because the screws look ugly on the face. So I glue the hideaway in, I let it dry. We also come up through with our HAW Duo wire. We poke this little connector here up through the rubber here, and we're going to go ahead and put some RTV all around there, seal that up real good, and then we're going to use our sealing tape over this, which is a cold weather foil tape, and then I'm going to go ahead and put RTV all over that as well. I'll show you some still pictures at the end here on how we do that. But that's what the inside looks like. That's where you want to get your hole. You can see it's kind of right in there next to the original bulb. You do have to kind of cut this a little oblong. The tool that I used when I did these, hang on a minute, let me find it for you. And there it is on the floor. So we used the larger hole saw to cut the outer shell, and we used the 1-inch hole saw on an adapter. We heat the hole saws to melt them through, that way there's no shavings. It's a little trick that I do. And it ends up with a real clean job. Stand by and I'll show you how they look. Alrighty, I've got them mocked up here in my lovely test bench. Everything we do is always tested, sealed, and programmed before we send it out. These headlights specifically are for a client several states away that sent them to us, and we're now doing this service where if you're uneasy about drilling your headlights and installing some cool strobes like this in your headlight, just send them our way. And let me shut the shop lights off and give you the full effect. So there you go. Now you can see the brightness. The LED Hideaway Duo, pretty bright. I think it's going to work out real good here. Thinking that's going to be nice and bright. I'm going to step back a ways and give you an idea here of what it's going to look like on the truck. So make sure you get a hold of us on Facebook. Check out our YouTube page. Email us at info@wickedwarnings.com. Ask about this service. We definitely can take care of these headlights for you. And as you can see, strobes can be installed in these headlights. Thank you much.